Okay everyone, let's start with numericals on TIR and critical angle. So we see the first question says a ray of light incident normally on one of the faces at right angle isosceles glass prism found to be totally reflected. What is the minimum value of the refractive index of the material? So we need to find the refractive index of the material. So if you remember that for any ray to get totally reflected inside a denser medium, the angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle. So in this case, the ray is incident at a 45 degree. How can you say it's 45 degree? Because this is being parallel. This is 45 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree prism. So this angle is, you can easily prove from geometry that this angle is 45 degree, right? Now if I use Snell's law, or not even Snell's law, we know the relation of critical angle only, that sine, for this to get for this ray to get totally reflected, we know that sine this angle of incidence must be greater than, that is sine 45 degree must be greater, because if it is at 45 degree it is getting reflected, so 45 degree must be greater than what? Sine IC must be greater than sine IC, but sine IC is what? What do we know? Is equals to 1 by n. Then can I write sine 45 degree is greater than 1 by n? Because for this ray to get totally reflected, the angle, this angle of incidence 45 degree must be greater than the critical angle sin IC, and sin IC is what? 1 by n, refractive index. So 45 degree is how much? 1 by root 2 greater than 1 by n. So n must be greater than root 2. Yes. So this is the solution. Correct? You know, one more thing is that the value of root 2, the value of root 2 is 1.4. Value of root 2, we all know that it is 1.4, and for glass it is 1.5, right? Definitely 1.5 is greater than 1.4, hence this is proved. Got it?